Want to install Dodo Webview on your laptop? The process depends on what the app is designed for. Let's walk through the main methods. First, it's important to know that Dodo Webview is likely an Android application, not a traditional Windows program. This means you can't install it directly on your laptop. The most common and effective way to run it is by using an Android emulator. Start by downloading and installing a trusted emulator like BlueStacks or Nox Player on your laptop. These programs create a virtual Android device on your computer. Once the emulator is set up, open it and log into the Google Play Store with your Google account. Use the search bar inside the Play Store to look for Dodo Webview and install it just like you would on a phone. If you can't find it on the Play Store, you may need to download the APK file from a trusted source online. Then, within the emulator, use its Install APK feature to open the file and install the app. Once installed, you can open Dodo Webview directly from the emulator's home screen and use it on your laptop. Enjoy!